Through dual breakthroughs in material science and structural mechanics, Suntown Aluminum Formwork has propelled aluminum formwork into a new dimension, the era of lightweighting, core breakthrough, structural optimization design while maintaining excellent stiffness and load-bearing capacity, achieves a breakthrough in weight reduction through profile cross-section optimization, rationale reinforcement rib layout, and connection system innovation. On the basis of the core advantages of the original aluminum formwork system, it achieves a comprehensive iterative upgrade with lighter weight, faster installation efficiency, and molding quality that meets requirements. Lightweighting does not mean weakening. While reducing weight, we remain committed to the core quality promise of aluminum formwork.
模板的用料比较扎实，制模体系比较稳定，后期混凝土的这个成型效果是比较好的，有效的减少了这个施工过程中的一些质量通病，这个为有后续的这个工程的质量高效的推进呢，有个硬核的提供了保障。
这一款铝模跟铝前的铝模比起来的话，它那个重量方面的话就是轻一点，一个人操作起来快捷一点。
Choosing light means choosing the future. What we provide is not only a lighter set of formwork, but also a proven integrated solution for improving efficiency and reducing workload.